Hello teachers, my name is Carla Calderon. I want to share with y'all this Google Chrome extension called Picture-in-Picture that I have found to be of great help. When you are watching a YouTube channel, of course you can continue to listen to it and you continue working. But with this extension, when you click on it while being on YouTube, it gives you a pop-up window of the video you are currently watching. You can move it to wherever you would like and you can continue working. You can shrink it, and this is about as big and small as it gets. Just in case, this only works as long as you're using Google Chrome. This is great when you are watching a video following step-by-step instructions. The only downside to it is that it only has the pause button, or this one, which it will take you back to YouTube. I wish it had a rewind button, but who knows, maybe hopefully they'll do it soon. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.